Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class. In today's class, we'll start from question number 14, exercise 13a. Okay, so before we start, we have to understand what do you mean by point of trisection. Trisection. Okay, so tri means three. Section means different sections. Okay, so if there is a line segment AB, if there is a line, from yesterday onwards we are learning about line segments, section formula, coordinates, isn't it? Okay, if AB is a line segment and if this line segment is divided by 2 points in 3 equal parts, am I clear? If this line AB is divided by PQ into 3 equal parts, 1, 1, 1, then this P and Q are called the points of trisection. Why trisection? Because this P and Q is dividing this line segment AB into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. Here AP will be equals to PQ will be equals to QB. Am I clear, boys? This length should be equals to this length and is equals to this length. If this happens, then this P and Q are called the points of trisection. I hope you're clear with this concept. 1, 1, 1, either it will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, but it has to be equal. Okay, now the question says find the points of trisection. Question number 14, the question says find the points of trisection or find the coordinates of the points of trisection which divides the line joining A and B. So we know what is the points of trisection. It is those points which divides the line segment into 3 equal parts. So let us assume, let capital P and capital Q be the points of trisection. Okay, out here. So let P and Q be the points of trisection. So therefore it divides this line segment AB into equal parts. I hope you're clear with this. It divides this whole line segment into equal parts. The question is asking us to find the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. That's it. Okay, now for P, for capital P, what will you do? You'll write A, you'll write B, the coordinates are -3, 0, 6, 6 for P. So P is out here. So if I keep the ratio as equal 1, 1, 1, so hence AP will be 1 and PB will be 2 because 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay, P and Q be the points of trisection. This means that AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. This is clear. Trisection means it divides the line segment into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. I am keeping this as 1, so hence this will be 1 as well, this will be 1 as well. 1, 1, 1. So now I am finding the coordinates of P. So if I am finding the coordinates of P, I should know the ratio. If here to here it is 1, then from here to here it will be 2 because 1 plus 1. So hence for P, what will you do? You'll draw the line, you'll write A, you'll write B, P is out here, so 1 to 2. So hence the coordinates of P will be, it's very easy, 1 into 6, that is 6, 2 into -3, that is -6 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, 1 into 6, that is 6, plus 2 into 0, that is 0, divided by 1 plus 2. So hence the coordinates of P will be 6 minus 6 is 0, comma, 3, 2 in fact, sorry. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is the coordinates of P. Similarly, we can do for coordinates of Q also. So for capital Q, what will I do? Again, I'll draw A, B. A is -3, 0. B is 6, 6. D is out here. So hence from here to here it is 2 and from here to here it is 1. So therefore D will have coordinates 2 into 3. 2 into 6, that is 12. Minus 1 into 3, that is 3, divided by 2 plus 1, 3, comma, 1 into 6, 2 into 6, 12. All right. After that, 1 into 0 is 0, divided by 3. So hence D will be 9 by 3, that is 3, 12 by 3, that is 4. So these are the coordinates of the points of trisection. So you'll write the points of trisections are 0, 2 and 3, 4 respectively. So please pause the video and note it down, boys. Alright boys, the next question is similar to this, but we have to show that this AB this straight line AB is trisected by the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, take 2 points. According to the question, the points are -5, 8, 10, -4. So -5 and 8, it lies on the second quadrant. 10 -4, it lies on the fourth quadrant. 10 and -4, -5 and then 8. Okay, if you join, you'll get a straight line. You'll get a straight line which touches y-axis and which also touches the x-axis, like this. What are we to prove? We are to prove that this AB is trisected by the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this AB touches y-axis at P, x-axis at Q. Am I clear? Now, as I know, the points of trisection means AP is to PB is equals to QB. Let us say it is 1, suppose, assumption. Okay, now let's find the coordinates of P. So for P, it is 1:2, and for Q, it is 2:1. So if you use the distance, if you use the section formula, you'll be getting the coordinates of P as 0, 4. And again, if you use the section formula, you'll get the coordinates of Q as 5, 0. Now 0, 4. 0, 4 means it lies on the y-axis. 0, 4, isn't it? It lies on the y-axis. And 5, 0, it lies on the x-axis. So this much is, enough to say that this AB is trisected by the coordinate axis, because this point lies on the y-axis and this point it lies on the x-axis in this way. So what you'll write as P lies on y-axis and Q lies on x-axis. This implies that AB is trisected by the coordinate axis. Proved. Okay, please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, let's proceed with next question. Number 16, you'll do your homework. It is similar to 15. And number 17 now. In question number 17, A and B is given to us. Note down the coordinates -4, 3, 8, -6. You're asked to find the length or the distance between A and B. So how to find the distance between A and B? We know the distance formula we have done in class 9. So the distance formula is given by AB equals to abscissa minus abscissa whole square plus ordinate minus ordinate whole square. So which means you'll be getting root over 225, which means 15 units. So distance between this and this is 15. All right. Now the question further says, if this AB is divided by x-axis, then find in which ratio it divides. Okay. So x-axis, any point which lies on x-axis is of the form x, 0. Let us suppose that this point divides AB in the ratio m1:m2. So P is a point on x-axis, so it is x, 0, and let the ratio be m1:m2. Now what we are doing, we are using this section formula. So according to the section formula, you'll get this. Again, comparing it with P, which value will I compare? Will I compare the abscissa or will I compare the ordinate? I will obviously compare the ordinate. Comparing ordinate. So ordinate means 0 is equals to this. So that is this equals to 0. Cross multiply, you'll get this is equals to 0. Take to the right hand side, it becomes -3. So minus and minus cancel out. So m1 divided by m2 will be 3 divided by 6. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Hence, what is the ratio, boys? m1:m2 is equals to 1:2. So this is the final answer. Pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, please note down your homeworks. You'll do question number 16 and question number 19. Now I straight away move to question number 24, which is your ICSE 2013. The figure is given out here, where you can see AB is a line segment and P is a point in between which has coordinates -4, -2. All right. So A and B are the points on x-axis and on y-axis. Since A is a point on x-axis, it is of the form x, 0. Since B is a point on y-axis, it is of the form 0, y. And P is a point in between -4, 2, which is given. Also given to us, the ratio AP is to PB is 1:2. So these things are given to us. So this is the coordinates of the point P according to the question, -4, 2. But can I also find the coordinates of point P by using distance formula? Obviously yes, which is your this. Please check it yourself. You will easily get this. This is the using section formula. So 1 into 0, this is 0, plus 2 into x, this is 2x divided by 3. Similarly this one. So now this is the point by using section formula, and this is the point according to the question. Point P and point P, the same points. So which means we can equate. So by comparing, 2x by 3 should be equals to -4, y by 3 should be equals to 2. On doing so, boys, you'll get x equals to -6 and x equals to 6, which means that if I put the values of x and y, and I'll be getting the coordinates also. So therefore the coordinates of A will be x comma 0, no? So -6 comma 0, which is correct, left hand side x, okay? And the coordinates of y was 0 comma b was 0 comma y, so hence 0 comma 6. So these are the coordinates of A and B. Please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move on to the last question, that is 25, which is also your ICSE question 2012. A similar type of questions we have already done before. Okay, the question says AB is the line segment which is divided by the y-axis. So since it is y-axis, any point which lies on y-axis will be of the form 0 comma y. The question says in what ratio is this point dividing AB? So in what ratio? Let the ratio be m1 and m2. So therefore this will be your actual figure. AB given, point P which lies on the y-axis, so we know. Let us assume m1 and m2 is the required ratio. So this is the coordinates of P according to the question. If I use the section formula, I'll be getting this, no doubt boys, very easy. 8m1 minus 4m2 divided by m1 plus m2, comma, minus 3m1 plus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is your P as well as this is your P. So now look at the coordinates and tell me which is easy to compare, either abscissa, either ordinate. Obviously the abscissa, because this is equals to 0. So by comparing abscissa, okay, comparing abscissa, you'll get 0 equals to this. Cross multiply, this will be 0. So which means cross multiply, this will be 0, which means this obviously 4m2 equals to 8m1. Okay, you cancel out here. m1 by m2 will be 4 by 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Hence the ratio is 1:2. This is 2. Right boys, so we got the ratio. Now we also need to find the point of intersection. So point of intersection means P only. P is nothing but 0. The first one is already 0. The second one you find out here. You put m1 equals to 1, m2 equals to 2. You put the values out here, you'll get like this. The coordinates of P will be 0 comma 3. And the last one is the distance between AB. So use the distance formula. Distance formula is this: -4 minus 8 means -12 whole square, plus 6 minus of -3 means 6 plus 9. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is 9 square. So therefore this is 144, 81, which is 225, which is 15 units. Okay, so this question actually we have already done also before, similar one, right? So hence please do note down number 25. With this we come to the end of first exercise. Please note down your assignments for today, question number 16, question number 19, and tomorrow we'll start the next exercise as well. Please pause the video and note it down boys. Thank you.